Hello, RGB. Welcome to this year's workshop. And today we're going to talk about how to manage type 2 diabetes through physical activity. So, first off, we're going to learn what is type 2 diabetes. So, a few key terms to focus on is insulin, pancreas, type 2 diabetes, and insulin resistance. So, insulin is the hormone that is produced by our pancreas. The pancreas is this organ right here, and it is linked with our liver. So, type 2 diabetes is when our body is not responding properly to the insulin that is being produced by our pancreas. This is referred to as insulin resistance. And how this works. So, the food you eat is broken down into blood sugar. Then the blood sugar enters the bloodstream, which then signals the pancreas to release insulin. The insulin helps blood sugar enter the body cells so it can be used as energy. So when you are diabetic, a lot of the blood sugar enters the bloodstream. The body then tells the pancreas to pump out more insulin to get the blood sugar into the cells. Over time, the cells stop responding to all the insulin, which this is where we become insulin resistant. The pancreas then keeps making even more insulin to try to make the cells respond. Eventually, the pancreas can't keep up and blood sugar keeps rising. The risks. If we don't manage our blood sugar levels, there's a lot of risks. This starts to affect our organs. We start feeling tired and other complications. So, if we don't control our blood sugar levels, this can lead to heart disease, vision loss, and kidney disease. So, how can we reverse insulin resistance? How can we avoid the risks? One, eat a balanced diet, high in fiber, and two, exercise. By exercising, we will be helping our bodies, our pancreas, not overwork itself. And we also become more susceptible to the insulin that our body is producing. So, how can we get started? Slow and steady wins the race, right? So, start slow and keep moving. So, the good news is we don't need to buy any fancy equipment. You don't need a gym membership, although if you prefer, you can. But you should invest in some good training shoes just so it can help you with support and positioning when you're doing your exercises, as well as a yoga mat. So some of these activities that you can do is walking in your neighborhood, taking walks with family and friends in the nearest park, doing some Zumba dancing, as well as following workout routines on YouTube. Now there's so many routines that we can look up and follow. Additionally, you can do some simple exercises on a chair. All you need is a chair and some weights. If you don't have weights, you can use canned foods. Uh, Cans have some weight, and it's a good um, thing to use as a beginner. If you feel like you can do a little bit more and you want to get the heart pumping, you can jog in place, as you can see in the image. And this could be included in a cardio circuit, or it could be a way to warm up. Another exercise is jumping jacks. This is another great cardio workout, and the way I like to think about it is forming X's and I's with our bodies. If you're looking to tone your arms and shoulders, you can include power punching. So just picture your frustrations, your stress, and that's in front of you, and start punching at it. So if you don't have any weights at home, like I mentioned before, you can use cans. And also a great tool, great help is to use your body weight. So this is an example where you can do some pull-ups and all you need is a chair or a couch. And you can do this exercise while watching your favorite Netflix series or your favorite novela. Sit-ups. Sit-ups are also a very good exercise to do because it focuses on the abdominal muscles, which helps to burn that belly fat. Remember, you can do it. You can take your health back. You can take control of your health today. Happy exercising, and I hope you learned a few exercises today that you can start including in your daily routine. And thank you for watching.